there's water discharge. That's a good sign. So the impeller brings water in to cool. There's also internal coolant that keeps the generator cool, just like a motor vehicle engine. The floor is back down, so we'll go ahead and let it run. You can see how quiet it is, even with the sound insulation off. The gauges are looking great. And let's see what the inverter is. So we can see if we can check out. It looks good up here. It's just not focused. Need to learn how to focus. Sun is setting and the generator is nice and quiet. It's the helicopters flying by.